it's Judy with Still Sassy Sister. So when was it that BB creams first came out? When I first heard about BB creams, I immediately thought, who is the marketing genius who came up with this? BB stands for Beauty Balm, which didn't mean that much to me. They typically are a light foundation with maybe some moisturizer or some sunscreen or who knows what. I didn't really get too excited about the whole concept personally. I've seen light foundations and tinted moisturizers before. We know about that already. So not long after that, CC creams came out. So now what is that? And how long do we have to wait for ZZ creams? But IT Cosmetics impressed me again. Their CC Plus cream, CC stands for color correcting by the way, has a sunscreen of over SPF 50. It's hard to get a good consistency with a high SPF, but they have done it. It's a very nice lightener, brightener with a great feel and great coverage. It's perfect if you want some bright coverage instead of a foundation. I don't want a heavy foundation today, but I'd like to perk up my skin a little and look natural. And by that, I mean better than natural. They also have managed to work in some anti-aging ingredients such as hyaluronic acid. That's the stuff that is anti-wrinkle and anti-sagging. It feels light, and I thought it did a great job of coverage too. Not sure how they managed that. And since sunscreen is so important to prevent cancer and wrinkles, I was very into it. I was a little worried with only 4 color formulas, but I have to say that it really wasn't an issue, and it really seemed to even up my skin. So great job again, IT Cosmetics. You seem to be spot on with products that Sasters can really use.